Is THC just about getting high? Or is it a plant compound that can help with sleep, mood, and focus? Can it support pain, stress, and anxiety without the side effects of synthetic meds? Well, there's a lot of buzz around THC, but a lot of people still don't know what it actually does. So in this video, I'm breaking it all down in plain English, okay? So let's start with what is THC, how it works in your body, the benefits of THC, and all the different types of products that are out there. So whether you're new to cannabis or just curious about natural wellness, this video is for you. So what is THC? Well, THC stands for tetrahydrocannabinol. And yes, I know, it's a mouthful. It's a naturally occurring compound found in the cannabis plant, and it is part of a larger group called cannabinoids. But what makes THC special is how it interacts with your body. THC connects with the endocannabinoid system that runs through your body, or ECS for short. Now, this system helps regulate everything from sleep to appetite, mood to memory, and even how your body responds to pain. So here's how THC works. When you take THC, whether it's a gummy, vape, or oil, it activates specific receptors in this ECS that helps your body stay in balance. That's why people often say THC helps them feel calm, relaxed, sleepy, but in a good way, more uplifted, or just more comfortable in their body. A lot of people use THC for anxiety, social anxiety, stress. Some even use it for focus, creativity, or winding down after work. It's not a one-size-fits-all. It depends on the type of THC and how much you take. That's why you'll hear in every video I make, start slow and start low, because you can always increase, but you can't backtrack. Okay, so how is THC made? Well, here's a cool fact. THC actually starts out in an inactive form called THCA. That's tetrahydrocannabinolic acid. When heat is applied, like through vaping, baking, or even a lighter, that THCA transforms into an active THC through a process called decarbing, let's just say that. In simpler terms, cannabis flower is THCA, and then you light it, and then the heat turns it into THC, and then you get the psychoactive effects. Okay, so what are the different types of THC products? Now, if you're thinking, I don't want to smoke, don't worry, you don't have to. You don't need to light up to enjoy the benefits of THC. There are tons of wellness-friendly options out there, like gummies for relaxation, better sleep, and general chill vibe. These are one of my favorites because they taste good. Then you've got tinctures or oils. These are great for daily use with easy dose control. I like these, especially when I'm in an environment where I need something fast acting. So because of stress, anxiety, or social anxiety. Vapes, these are fast acting relief when you need it right now. So a lot of people use these in the middle of the night if they can't sleep or they just have a lot of pain. Capsules, super convenient, discreet, and consistent. So if you don't get the extra sugar. Topicals for sore joints or tight muscles. You don't feel a high, just relief. I use these on my knees at night when I go to bed. And then you've got edibles. These are tasty, discreet, and long-lasting like brownies or cookies. Now, each product has its own vibe and purpose. So again, start slow and choose a brand that you trust. So what are the benefits of THC? Well, these days, more and more people are adding THC to their wellness routine. Not to check out, but to feel better. So whether you're looking for mental clarity, deeper, more restful sleep, or post-workout recovery, THC could be what you need. Here's what real users are saying, and we pull these right off of our website, okay, y'all? THC gummies gave me a deeper sleep without that next day grogginess. My joints feel way better after using a THC bomb. A microdose helps me manage anxiety without zoning out. And that's the power of thoughtful THC use. It supports your body naturally. Okay, so let's talk about the legal status and safe use. Because before you dive into THC, quick note. THC is legal in many states through licensed dispensaries and also recreational, but rules vary, so double check your local laws. And always look for lab-tested products. You want something clean, reliable, and labeled correctly. Again, remember, start low, go slow, and see how your body responds. Okay, so why are people choosing THC? Well, THC isn't just about getting high anymore. It's about finding balance, especially in a world that's constantly doing the most. With the right product and dose, THC can give you clarity, calm, and confidence without losing control. From busy professionals to burnt-out parents, creatives to athletes, people are using THC to take better care of themselves. So if you're ready to explore it for yourself, hit the link in the description. At mypaincenter.com, all our products are lab tested, carefully sourced, and created for real life wellness. Let me know in the comments, have you tried THC for wellness, and what was your experience? Did you sleep better? Did you have pain relief? Did you decrease your anxiety? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video. I'm Shireen Kassam with mypaincenter.com, and if this video helped it, please share it with someone who's still scared of the word cannabis, THC, or marijuana, because sometimes healing starts with just a conversation. I'll see you on the next video.